Are you still trying to learn how to master your Cricut machine alone, weeding through search results instead of weeding your vinyl? Or feeling lost trying to understand the Design Space software without wanting to throw your computer and your machine out the window? Or maybe you know the basics, but you want to try something new and feel frustrated trying to go at it alone. Take back your time and your joy by grabbing a free ticket to the biggest Cricut learning event of the year, the 5th Annual Cricut Craftfest event happening here online February 2nd through the 6th. I'm Abby, your Craftfest hostess with 13 plus years of experience teaching over 1 million fans how to fall in love with their Cricut machines and make all the beautiful projects they always dreamt of. And now it's your turn. Whether you are a total beginner who hasn't even cracked open your Cricut box yet, or an intermediate crafter who wants to level up and play with new project skills, the Cricut Craftfest will unlock new realms of creativity. When you claim your free ticket, you get to learn from the top Cricut pros across the internet who have been there and made that. During this event, you get to access 40 plus never before seen workshops that will teach you the skills you need to see projects come to life, like handmade gifts and home decor, DIY cards, decorations for special occasions, wearables, designing your own images, or converting photos to SVGs. Just imagine what you could finally create if you unlock just a few of these skills. Our pre-event kicks off Saturday, January 31st, where you can join me for a live Craft Tech Talk hour, and you can finally get a handle on how to use Design Space. Plus, I want you to build confidence fast, so we're going to be doing a quick win project together as well. Then, the main summit starts on Monday, February 2nd, and runs through Friday, February 6th, with up to 8 brand new workshops dropping each morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, to view for free until the following day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Project templates, supply lists, and tutorials are all included. Plus, you can join our event Facebook group for ongoing support from speakers, fellow attendees, and myself. And even better, we have thousands of dollars of giveaways happening at this event for anyone who saves their spot. The Cricut Craftfest isn't just another online crafting event. Over the past 5 years, we have hosted more than 500,000 attendees collectively, and the results speak for themselves. Now is your chance to craft with me and the best Cricut pros online. Enter your name and email below this video to claim your free ticket, and I will send you all the event details directly to your inbox. Just look for my name, Abby Kirsten, and be sure to add my email to your contact list so you don't miss when the workshops drop. It's finally time to craft with joy and confidence, my friend, while making projects that you are proud to give, share, and decorate with. Enter your info below now before the online event starts, and I'll see you there.